Dénia. This is the heart of Costa Blanca, and today we will show you the detached houses and blocked houses from the developer that has 90 years of history. So let's go and check this house inside. We are in the 2-storied, 3-bedroom blocked house. It starts from 375,000 euro and it has 180 square meters. So let's check the kitchen now. This is marble island, very good quality, very good equipment Whirlpool here, with dishwasher machine, with fridge, everything is ready. Let's go and see the terrace from here. Just look at this door. This is window, door, and it is very big, but as you see, I am pushing it without any trim. So here you come to the backyard. You can enjoy while at daytime here, and also you have a great solarium. We will go in a while. Here you have a great table for dinner, for breakfast, and it is very good quality also. And all lights, water here, it is all included in the price. Let's go on the second floor. So this is the second floor, and there are 2 bedrooms with own showers, bathrooms, and this is quite big master bedroom, the closet with shower, and the terrace. Very good window systems. And you have a terrace to chill, to breathe, to relax. And another 1 bedroom. It is also quite big, but it has a personal wardrobe. Here there is also a shower, and also there is a terrace heading to the street. And now let's explore solarium on the top roof. Here you see mountains. You have some place to sit and to chill. You have also a place for putting some equipment here. Everything is very good quality, and these views just great here. So, this project with 3 bedrooms, 180 square meters and 150 square meters plot. These blocked houses are available, only 9 of them now, and they will be finished till the end of 2023. Also, there will be available 4 bedrooms detached villas from 550,000, but they will be finished a year later in 2024. So welcome to Denia. You can text us to have your personal proposal, and we will make the best selection of real estate for you. Welcome.